I'm painting the back glass trim. I got it cleaned up. I used my sandblaster and 180 grit sandpaper to go over it, knock off all the other two paint jobs. So since I'm doing the metallic gray, that's actually a translucent color, so I decided to go through and do a little bit of dark Ford gray on my trim before I go over that, so I know it covers good. So while this is drying, I get to work on the rest of these clips that are broke like that. Get that channel cleaned out, new clips on it, so this trim will go on good. Actually, looking at it, I think with a satin black car, this gloss Ford gray is what I painted that. That would actually look pretty good, but I'm not going back and redoing it today anyway. Okay, I'd back the Mustang out to get it out in the light and see what I got. Start cleaning any kind of overspray and clean all my windows off and everything. Wipe it down. I don't know if I'm quite ready to go ahead and wash it or not. I want to make sure this paint has a good cure on it before I start washing it and putting any kind of wax on it. But overall, come out pretty good. Had some areas where, like I said before, it's been painted a couple times, so whenever I pulled the tape off, my previous work come off. So it's the same thing I had before. Some of the other things I was fixing where the stuff I put on stuck pretty good, but the previous two paint jobs, one or the other, started to come off. So once I get a couple detail things finished up on this and get it cleaned up, I got the next project on it, which is the mess it left in the floor. So I think pretty much if it's a fluid, it leaked it. But this will be addressed when I pull the engine out and rebuild the engine. Got the Mustang backed out. The paint's cured up good. I've done some of my touch-up. So I'm going to do a quick wash since we're in springtime. Got pollen and dust and dirt everywhere. I'll do my gold class, which I really like that stuff. It works pretty good on my new car. Then I'm going to come back with a light cut on top of it and buff it out slightly. I don't want to do anything too deep on it. Just needs to get everything all nice and even and cleaned up. Then finish with a wax and buff with the Meguiar's cleaner wax. I'm not trying to make it look like gloss. I just want to get a good protective coat on there and get everything to be a nice even color on it. Got the paint job finished, cleaned, and light buff on it and some wax on Jim here. Do a walk around of the final product, at least final for now. So I went with a custom badge. Not quite high performance yet until I rebuild the engine, but at least the exterior looks pretty high performance. We got the decals in and put these on. I just centered them up over the blinker and reverse lights where I figured it'd work pretty good. We tried to somewhat match the Mustang styling letters. Come up pretty close. And then this is the Broken Tool Garage emblem that I'm going to go with. So if you notice on the emblem, it actually said Gen on there. That's from Genesis. And what I'm talking about there is, if you read that, the Lord God took the man and put him in the garden to tend and keep it. So these are the gardens I've been given, like this Mustang, and I'm just trying to tend and keep it the best that I can.